Joanne Butler with 3 must-have stocking stuffer beauty buys. Let's start with the gift of clear skin. Nothing quite says joy like that, and now you can actually give it. This is Proactive's The Joy of Clear Skin Holiday Kit. It's a travel-sized version of their best-selling 3-step acne treatment. You know, this is the famous cleanser, toner, and repairing treatment that revolutionized the way people treat their acne. Made with microcrystal benzoyl peroxide that goes deep into your pores to relieve inflammation and gently cleanse and exfoliate and attack acne-causing bacteria. You can use it every day to treat and prevent mild to moderate acne. And it comes with a cooling gel bead eye mask that's just so nice and soothing, helps alleviate puffiness. Just a perfect post-holiday treat. I love this kit. It's exclusively at Target through December 25th, and even better, it's just $20. Now let's talk toothpaste and deodorants. They also make great stocking stuffers, but not just any ones. I love the Tom's of Maine brand. They're a leader in natural products. I love their Complete Protection natural deodorant. It has 24-hour odor and wetness protection and no aluminum, no artificial fragrances, no preservatives or parabens, no animal testing, and they actually work. They have so many great scents too. My personal favorites are the lemon and bergamot and the cedar and vetiver. And then they make great toothpaste. This is their Pure Active Teeth and Gum Health toothpaste. It's formulated with zinc citrate and sea salt for just a great soothing experience and a really deep clean to get your pearly whites ready for the new year. Another reason why I love buying Tom's of Maine, they're a certified B Corporation, and that means they're held to the highest social and environmental standards. They donate 10% of profits to organizations addressing our health, our environment, and our kids, so a pretty great message to share this time of year as well. And you can find these products at Target.com and Amazon.com between $5.99 and $6.99. Now last but certainly not least for contact lens wearers like myself, because a lot of us, 1 in 3 actually, experience contact lens dryness. So this is BioTrue Hydration Plus Multi-Purpose Solution. It's a hydrating contact solution that cleans and disinfects exceptionally well, but also gives eyes all-day comfort. It's pH balanced to match healthy tears and inspired by the biology of the eye, so contacts feel comfortable when you put them in. And it keeps more moisture on the lenses for the first 12 hours of wear compared to the original BioTrue multi-purpose solution. It's made with hyaluronan, a moisturizer found naturally in tears, an electrolyte, a component of tears, and an antioxidant that protects the hyaluronan against free radicals. So it really does a lot and helps to make a difference when it comes to making your lenses feel comfortable throughout the day. Just love BioTrue. Check them out at biotrue.com and find it at mass retail like Walmart, Target, and CVS. And there you have it, my 3 must-have beauty stocking stuffers this holiday.